In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create separate folder in Outlook for specific emails. We'll use Outlook on the web so you can follow along in any modern browser. By the end, you'll have a clean folder ready to hold messages you want to keep separate from the rest of your inbox. Start by going to outlook.live.com. If you see Microsoft's home screen, choose Mail so you're in your mailbox view. On the left side, you'll see your account in the standard folders like Inbox, Sent Items, and Drafts. That left pane is where we'll create the new folder. Move your pointer over your email address at the top of that left pane to reveal a small three-dot menu. Click those three dots to open more options. This menu is helpful anytime you need to manage your folder list. Choose Create New Folder. A text field appears right in the folder list, ready for you to name it. Type a clear, specific name that matches the messages you want to collect, something like receipts, project updates, or travel. Short, descriptive names make it easier to spot the folder later. When you're done typing, press Enter to save it. You should now see your new folder sitting neatly in the list. Next, click Inbox to return to your incoming messages. Find an email that belongs in the folder you just made. This could be a message from a particular sender or about a specific topic you want to keep organized. Select that email, then drag it from the message list over to the new folder in the left pane. When the folder highlights, let go. The message is moved instantly, and you'll see the unread count update on the folder. You can repeat this with any other messages you want to place there. If you ever change your mind, you can simply drag the message back to Inbox. That's it. You've created a separate folder and moved specific emails into it. This simple setup is great for grouping receipts, newsletters, or project threads, so your inbox stays focused on what needs attention right now. You can make additional folders the same way whenever your needs grow. And if you want to take this a step further another day, Outlook also offers rules that can automatically send matching emails straight into your folder as they arrive. Thanks for watching. Keep this window open and practice with a couple of messages so the steps feel natural, and enjoy a more organized Outlook.